Hey guys, so quick video for you what you can try to do if your in-fact optics won't turn on. So someone wrote here that maybe it's not going to help, maybe it's going to be completely useless. Have you tried turning it off and back on again? Even you can try the power cycle, the battery, try to reset it. And what you can try to do, you can even buy a new like a battery on Amazon. So that's another thing that you can try to do. Maybe it's going to help. You see right here, and plenty of people bought it. So maybe this is the reason why it's happening. So what you can try to do, you can buy it, and maybe it's going to fix the issue for you. I hope it does. So try to change the battery, and I hope it's going to help you and fix the issue. So have a great day, guys, and goodbye.